Are you struggling to score a 7 in IELTS writing or even 6 in IELTS writing, right? And you are not able to figure out, how to improve your band scores. Nobody is, there to help you out. You have gone through various trainers and still you're not able to get through that, band score in order to apply for your Canadian PR or your Canadian student visa. Then this is the right video for you. My name is AMNEET Singh. I'm running this business for more than 8 years now. We have a team of trainers who are at least 8 band scorers in all the modules. I myself a 9 band scorer in all the modules. So we are competent enough in helping people to improve their IELTS writing band score, right? We'll help you with evaluating your IELTS essays and IELTS letter writings. What you need to do is you have to sign up through our program, through our package program, wherein we will evaluate 10 writings. That could be a combination of your letter writings and your essays, or simply all your essays, or simply all your IELTS letters. What you need to do is you got to understand you are coming to a very competent people who will help you to improve your band score by evaluating your writings based on IELTS writing band descriptors. So there are basically 4 different band descriptors for IELTS as per the Cambridge. So we will be evaluating those 4 band descriptors accordingly on your writing, be it your task achievement, your coherence and cohesion, your lexical resource, which means your vocabulary accuracy and range, and the last is your grammatical range and accuracy, right? Based on all 4 factors, right, we will be evaluating your writing and we will be letting you know where you lack, what are your mistakes, how to reduce your mistakes, how to improve your sentence structure, what sentence structures you need to add in order to improve your band score. Are you missing out on your structuring, be it your essay structuring or letter structuring, right? We'll be helping you improve those. So wherever you fall short on, be it in terms of vocabulary, your grammar, your coherence or cohesion, and even your task achievement, right? Because task achievement is the most important task on IELTS writing. If you miss out on task achievement, you miss out on the whole task. Whole task means चाहे essay है तो चाहे थोड़ी letter writing है. तो एक गल नू हमेशा याद रखियो, you are here for a specific time duration package deal, right? So you got to be preparing hard. If you're looking to improve your writing, this is the video and this is what we offer. So if you're struggling in improving your vocabulary, we'll help you out with your vocabulary accuracy and vocabulary range. If you're struggling on grammatical range and accuracy, we'll be helping you out with that as well. Because grammatical range and accuracy and vocabulary range and accuracy is one subject where most people are not competent enough, right? They do not have a strong grip on it. They do not understand what is the role of these 2 elements, because they haven't practiced that much writing, because most people, they speak on a daily basis but they do not write on a daily basis. That's why they do not understand the value of it. And most importantly, because these 2 elements, they comprise for almost 50% of your marking, right? 25% for your lexical resource and 25% for your grammatical range and accuracy. So this is very important segment wherein you have to have a strong grip. So we'll be helping you out in improving your sentence structures, what all sentence structures you need to be putting into your writing, be it your letter writing or your essay writing, in order to help you raise your band scores. But mind it, you can't improve in a day or 2 or even in 10 days. You have to practice day in, day out, the guidelines, the improvements, right, your mistakes, and make all of those things into your strengths in order to become habitual enough to finally crack your IELTS writing. I hope you found this video useful and productive. If you want your writings to be evaluated, we can help you. We'll drop down an email address on our description where you can contact us, or you can directly message us or DM us on our Instagram handle, right? Our Instagram page handle is Optimistic Force IELTS, where you can connect with us and we can help you out with your queries. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing it, and until then, see you in the next video. Bye.